Hello students, welcome to class 4th EVS Monday session. We were continuing the lesson about the desert area and one talk home and abroad. In this talk, we are discussing about the few points in our last session that if your relatives are living in another country, then where they are living and what they were doing. How long did they live there? Did they go there for studies or for work? Was there any other reason? Dear students, many students of our school went abroad for the studies. Many settled there, got PR, permanent residency. The other reason is there for their betterment, they are going to earn the money, they are going. There are so many ways that they are traveling. Then the next talk is about the currency note. 5 rupees note, 10 rupees note, 100 rupees note, 500 rupees note. Then the currency notes belongs to the India what we have seen. But if we look at the other currency note, then we will come to know by reading of the numbers of it, reading of the description of it. Then there are different emblems are written in our India's notes. There are different culture is explained there. Monuments explained there, colorful notes are there. Take a 10 rupees note, observe it carefully, and how many languages can you see on the note also we can see. Write the name of the bank given on the note. It is, if we are considering India, then we can see that it is prepared by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Governor signature is there. Then different coins are given, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 10 rupees, 2 rupees, 25 paisa, 5 paisa. Many are, you are not aware about it because you have not habit to use this coin of 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin you might have observed. So these coins are now very rarely we are using. Whatever we are recognizing, 5 paisas, 50 paisas, it is given in the line. Whatever we recognize, that is given there. In each coin, some values are written. This value is also very important for us. It is having some importance down. It is written that how many paisa, how many rupees. Then $5, 100 rupees. Then $1. Then different dinar, taka. Then different countries note is given there. You can see that pictures. Different country have a different notes, different currency. Dollars are there, then rupees are there. Then our Indian currency is also there. Likewise, you can collect and make a vast collection of the notes. You can prepare yourself. Dear students, in the next session we shall talk about the spicy riddles. In spicy riddles, whatever things are explained, that we will come to know. What kind of things are added there to make our food very spicy, that we shall talk. Before that, I request all the students to read the lesson properly, fully, and make the whatever work is given there, that you can do it as a project work also. Thank you.